Ultrasonic cleaner starts without sound. Sonic insurance red light. The failure may be caused by one or more damaged components, such as the module, rectifier bridge, motherboard, high-frequency transformer, or inductor. Simply replace the damaged parts. The signal board lights up green and there is a vibration. Disconnect the transducer input and use a neon test pen to measure the inductor input. Use a 2500 伏 megameter to measure the vibration box. If the resistance in the output line is less than 2 ohms or smaller, the vibration unit is damaged and should be returned for repair. The signal board lights up green and does not vibrate. Disconnect the transducer input and use a neon test pen to measure the inductor input. If there is power, the transducer has a short circuit fault. Open the cover and visually inspect the fault point. Then eliminate the fault. Both the red and green lights on the signal board are lit. Please contact the manufacturer for assistance.